Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzy, and if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. The purpose of this channel is to help you make money, save money, and make your money work harder. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we're just going to jump straight into today's topic, which is NUS/Totem student discount card. Now, if you're at university, I really hope you have heard of the Totem/NUS card. If you have not, this video is for you. If you have not heard of this discount card, this video is for you, and it's going to help you save money by applying for this card. I remember when I was at university a while ago, I wouldn't say how many years ago, I used this card and it did help me save money, and I feel this company is still going to today. It's a reputable UK company, and if you do not know of this card, well, I'm introducing you today, whether in year 1, year 2, year 3 of your undergrad, or maybe you're on your postgrad. This card is going to help you save money. So we're just going to jump straight in and see what exactly is this card, how do you apply, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the Totem website. So if you just go to Google, you can just type in Totem card, or you can just type this into your browser, and then you'll come to this page. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what is the NUS card or Totem? So Totem is the new name for the NUS card, and we're just going to look at what kind of discounts they offer, because it's mainly for students, this Totem card. And yeah, so if we look at the top, the website split into sections. So you have new offers, sustainability, fashion, music and technology, travel, health and fitness. There's other ones here, news and giveaways. So if we scroll down, it says here, Totem is the only student discount, proof of age ID and campus live card and platform recommended by the National Union of Students. So if we scroll down more, we can see some of the discounts. ASOS 10%, Co-op 10% in store. Those are just some of the big brands. And so with this NUS Totem card, there are different options and different cards available, and some of them you can buy which has your proof of age on it as well. So as we scroll down to here, it actually just says it's #1 discount card, an app giving you huge discounts on food, essentials, tech, travel, home delivery, and so forth like that. Now, there is this in-store and online Totem card, and then there is this digital one, which is free, but you can only use it online. I'm going to talk more about this Totem one today, because this is the one where you can use online and in store, and I thought it would be beneficial, as obviously people do go out, whether it's maybe to the shop, maybe buy Domino's pizza or something like that, and so this one will be more effective in terms of reaching a wider audience. So if we go right to the top, what I've done is I have gone to the pricing area. So if you scroll down to the bottom here, there is a section that says Totem pricing, which I've clicked on and opened already. And then once you click on it, it comes to this page and it tells you what the membership pricing is. And as I mentioned earlier, the Totem digital card is online only and it's free. It's for 1 year only. Now with the Totem new pricing card, you can order it for 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. Well, 3 years is £29.99, 2 years is £24.99, and 1 year is £14.99. So it kind of makes sense to order the 3-year card because obviously it's cheaper. And then also the third type of card is the Totem plus age identity proof of age card, and that's also £29.99. 2 years is £24.99, 1 year is £14.99. So I mean, it kind of does make sense to probably buy this one, because you are also getting your proof of age on this card. This one doesn't have it. and this is obviously digital. So what type of benefits and features are there? So we're going to look at this end card here, and it says it gives premium discounts, student discounts 300 plus on Amazon, ASOS, Apple. There's a £3 co-op. There's also some co-op vouchers, cashbacks, coupons, exclusive deals, and so forth like that. So I've just opened some of these tabs here in new separately. I'm just going to have a quick look just to see like what type of companies are actually part of this totem discount, and yeah, let's just have a look. Let's see what companies there are. So let's go to music first. So in the music section, we can scroll down and we can see that Samsung is there, free, amazon.co.uk. You've got O2 offers, you have Adobe offers, Google store offers, BT, Samsung again for smartphones. If we click load more, there's Intel, Dell, Lenovo, NordVPN. You kind of get the gist. Currys. EE have an offer as well. And I guess it just keeps going on and on. Just keep clicking load more. So next one we can look at is the fashion. So let's see what kind of fashion stores are here. So we have ASOS 10%, Lounge 14%. You have Boohoo 25% plus an extra 5%. What else? Misguided 50 up to 50, nearly 50%. JD 20%. What else is there? River Island 20%. Boohoo Man 40%. My Bag 20%. And the list goes on and on and on. Foot Locker up to 50%. Warehouse 20% and Summers 15%. So you just need to click and load more, and you will see more and more brands that you probably would shop at on this list. You've got Karen Millen 20%, Kate Spade New York 10%, Puma 15%. And as I said, yeah, the list keeps going. Coast 20%. So that's fashion. Let's look at travel quickly. Now with travel, we've got places like TUI, Qatar Airways, Expedia, Travelodge, Halfords, Booking.com, Emirates, 1625 Railcard, £5 off travel COVID tests, National Express, Holiday Extras, Etihad Airways, Air Parks, Megabus. The list continues. You can just scroll down and keep looking. Let's look at eating now. Let's see what kind of companies on here. So we have Domino's, Wildwood Kitchen, All Bar One, Las Iguanas, and then also there's this taste card, which is another, this is also a discount card, but for food. So you can get lots of different restaurants. And let's quickly have a look at health, just so we can say we've looked at a broad range of areas. So health, you've got things like my vitamins, 63% of everything. My protein, oops, sorry, my protein, Mindbox, Mindful Chef, Cotswold Outdoor, Weight Watchers Reimagined, Low Cost Glasses, Grays has been quite popular actually recently in the UK. Lots of people seem to be ordering from there. And then there's other things here as well. And then obviously, if you want to click on supermarkets, let's look at supermarkets just to round it off. Supermarkets, we have Co-op, some Cadbury's hampers, Tails.com, Sweeties, Candles Direct, Virgin Wines, more, Presto. So you kind of get where I'm going. Moonpig, you have Moonpig, Hotel Chocolat. You kind of get where I'm going. There's so many different companies that subscribed under this totem card for discounts, and so it's definitely worth, as a student, looking through this site and definitely having this card. There's other shops that we haven't looked at. For example, you can see scrolling at the top different companies as well. You've got Misguided. There is also shops like New Look as well. I've used it in New Look as well, and it does work. So there's so many shops. It's free discount. If you're going to spend money in these shops anyway, you might as well have the card so that when you do go to the shop or you spend online, you're actually saving yourself money because you're not paying the full price. You're getting 10%, maybe 20, 30% discount off. And to me, it just makes sense to have the card because it's in a win-win situation because you are saving money because you're not paying full price for these items. So yeah, this is the totem card. All you need to do in order to apply for the card, you need to click join. Once you click on join, it's going to take you to a new page, and on that page you need to put your email address. Once you put your email address, it's going to ask you for one or two other things like maybe your student ID or where you go to school or uni, and then you have to upload a picture of yourself, input your address and so forth like that, and then they will process it, the application. It doesn't usually take that long, couple of days, and then if they can verify you or you're a student, then they will send your card to you in the post. And then before you know it, your card is here and you can start using it in all these shops I've shown, and even more I haven't even shown, and some of the other ones I've mentioned as well. And literally you can just start using the card. It also works in shops like Superdrug as well, because I've used it in Superdrug and it does work. So what I would say as a student, once you get this card, anywhere you go, just always ask them, do you take this student totem card or NUS card? Just tell them you have this student card, because there are some shops I've noticed as well that they don't advertise on this site that they accept the card, but they actually do. So it's worth just asking the question. I have a student card. I have this totem or NUS card. Can I use it in this store as well for a discount? And you might be surprised in how many other stores you can use it and just be saving more money. As a student, things are already tight financially, so help yourself out, and where you can save money, I would definitely advise you to, and I would encourage anybody who does not have this card to please do apply for it, because it's for your own benefit. It's not for me, it's for your own benefit, and you're the one that's going to gain. And one other point to note is with this card, Let's say you are the student and your mum or your dad, or maybe your brother or sister is with you when you go out, and let's say they go to Domino's, and obviously Domino's, you see on the list, is one of the shops where you can use that card. um, because you are with them, you can still present your student or this totem card and get a discount. So it's quite good, this card, and it can benefit you, and when you're going out with other people as well, all of them as well. So yeah, this is the totem card for students, and if you haven't applied, I really encourage you to apply for this. If you can stretch, apply for the 3-year one, because it gives you 3 years of access to hundreds of discounts online and in store. So it's 20, um, £30 for 3 years. And in all fairness, if you go to Nando's, you can easily spend £12 on one meal, whereas this card is £30 for 3 years. And I think the cost of it versus the benefit, there's so much benefit from this card that it makes sense to have this card. So yeah, good luck with applying, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.